there. Today I'm going to do a special challenge. Not special in the terms of like anything personal, just special because it's a Christmas themed challenge in January. I had planned on doing this in December, but it didn't work out that way. It was crazy busy. Life happened. So as it always does, I have 6 different kinds of Little Debbies, and I think these are all of the ones that they make. I don't think there are any more. I grabbed all the ones that I could see at least. So there are the Christmas themed Nutty Buddies, the Christmas tree Brownies, the cherry Cordials, which are like my absolute favorite since I was a kid. I mean, at least they used to be. Gingerbread Men, the chocolate Christmas tree cakes, and of course the original Christmas tree cakes. So I also wanted to do the Little Debbie's Christmas tree cake ice cream with this challenge, but by the time I went to buy some specifically for this, it was sold out. I did get to try it though before it sold out, so that was good at least. So I do have this. It's like some weird light type of ice cream, also Christmas themed, so I don't know if I'll actually get to that or not, but it's there just in case. So yeah, I have a lot of drinks. I have almond milk, I have coffee, I have zero sugar Dr. Pepper, I have water, I of course have my life-saving Pringles. These will definitely come in handy. I have no idea if I'm going to finish all of these. That's always the goal. The goal is always to finish. That's what she said. The goal is always to finish everything, but for the home challenges, I feel like I kind of use these more as practice. So if I don't finish everything, I'm not going to like beat myself up about it. I think I'm going to try to go fast, or I don't know. I hate saying that because then you guys see me like my rendition of going fast and you realize I'm not very fast at all. So I don't know. I'm going to say I'm going to try to get through them as quickly as possible rather than just like enjoy them for the flavor, I guess. And I think that way it'll help me get them down quicker, get more down quicker. I'm not going to time anything. I do have my timer, but that's mostly just for me because I like to see how long things take me. And I also don't know if I'm going to do it in a specific order. Not that anybody cares necessarily. I just am brainstorming out loud. I might do like one thing at a time, or I might just switch back and forth to kind of break everything up. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Haven't eaten anything today, so you know, that's always a thing. That's always a thing. I'm always hungry at the beginning, but we never know how it's going to end up. Well, we usually know how it's going to end up, to be honest. Anyway, I suppose I will also have the all the numbers and macros of what I did eat at the end of the video. So if anybody's interested, that'll be on there. Yeah, I guess there's what do they say? Nothing to it but to do it. Let's dig in. Of course, that happened right at the beginning. 1 second. It's not gonna stay, obviously. I don't even know why I care. All right, I will start with chocolate. See what I mean about the speed? Also, I apologize in advance because there might be like a ton of chocolate in my teeth by the end of this and I will have no idea. So yeah, that'll be a thing. You have no idea how much I love these right now. I just said I was going to go fast, but I'm kind of just like, I keep slowing down just to like savor it for some reason. I just realized I was doing that on accident. So maybe it won't be so much of a speed challenge, and it'll just be like a let's see what happens challenge. Why am I not dipping anything? So many opportunities. That's the move for sure. Actually, like, surprisingly delicious. I'm not gonna lie. These are always the best, right? Like, these are the ones that I always remembered being out since I was a kid. It was these ones and the Terry Cordials. And I feel like all the other ones are like fairly new, but these are the ones I remember from like when I was young. When I was young. See, this is my problem, is that I'm already to the point where like none of this is starting to look good to me. It's only been not even 14 minutes entirely. Okay, these are still pretty good though. I'm already starting to notice the signs. I'm already chewing way more than like actually necessary. Which means my brain is catching up with my body, and it's like, why are you eating all of this nonsense? The Pringles might happen soon is all I'm saying right now. Is it time for the Pringles to make an appearance? I think so. I should wait like a little bit longer. You know what? Yeah. Just like I should be able to do like 2 more before I start those, at least. It's just crazy when people like Jeff Esper and Molly Schuyler, Dan Kennedy can just do like 20 pounds of this stuff and it does not faze them at all. It's very intriguing. I wish I could get to that point, but it's like I feel like a lot of it is mental. And that's like the whole reason that I started doing at-home stuff, is because I just wanted to push myself in private rather than in public. I mean, public not in the way of like a YouTube channel, obviously, but like as in being in a restaurant and feeling an actual challenge, which I've done enough of failing in restaurants. So, but it's New Year, so we'll see how it goes. I forget why I even went on that tangent to begin with, to be honest. I always feel like you should eat a Pringle this way, right? Because it's the shape of your tongue. But the inside out part, like the top, has all the flavoring on it, so it's so stupid. Like, I just feel like it should be different. I don't know. It's baffled me my entire life. I wish I were joking, but I'm not. Honestly, like, these still taste pretty good. I'm not like completely ruined yet. Pringle time again. Just even like the texture helps so much. These ones and the Christmas tree cakes. The other ones I feel like I get down easy. Super easy. Just like the cakiness is, ugh. Just don't like it. I don't like it anymore. We are 36 minutes and 30 seconds into this. They're competitive eaters. Real competitive eaters. Who would have finished all this like 30 minutes ago. I am not one of those people. Yet. If ever. It's only been 6 months. Maybe 7. I'm not that worried about it. As long as it's fun, that's all that matters. wonder why LeBron is even in my videos. It's mostly just because I think it was when I went on my first like trip for competitive eating. Dexter wanted me to take that with him, or with me, to put in my videos while I was gone. So I did, and kind of became a thing. Dexter's like obsessed with these. Obviously it's LeBron James, but he calls them LeBron Jahamas, and we went on like a wild goose chase for these stupid things back in September, I think. They're like $12, and they were like in every single store, and then all of a sudden they went viral on TikTok or something, and they sold out everywhere, and they were going for like thousands of dollars on eBay. I saw one that was like $30,000, but that can't be real. No, like, just no. We searched everywhere anyway, and I ended up like, his first one, which is this one, I ended up finding him on eBay for like $40. And then we bought him. This other one over here, I know you guys like love this backstory on LeBron Jahamas, but I'm stalling right now, that's what this is. We found him in Target for like $12, you know, like a month later. I'm like, alright, let's get another one. And then I started putting him in the videos. So now when I see one, I usually just pick it up because they're very few and far between now, and these are obviously like Stretch Armstrong type figures, so you easily break, honestly. And it's kind of a thing now, like, kind of just have to have LeBron in the videos. Even though I will say he's like my least favorite basketball player ever, which makes it even funnier. If you were up to me, it'd be like little Steph Curry guys, but it's not LeBron James, it's LeBron Jahamas, so it's different. I can pretend that it's okay. Interestingly, the flavors on certain things are actually still good. Like, this is still good. I can eat this slowly and attempt to enjoy it. But it's like, I think my body just, like, I feel sick. Like, I just feel physically sick from all of the sugar, I'm assuming. So yeah, while it is a little bit of flavor fatigue with some of them, like freaking Christmas tree cakes and coffee and all of those, some things still taste okay. Like, these taste good still. They're cosmic brownies shaped like a Christmas tree. How could you not like it? I should dip it, but I don't even like coffee. I remember what it tasted like the last time I dipped the gingerbread guy in it, and it was like sick. Okay. Whew, I need to stop talking. Just at least finish this last one, for God's sake. Oh, I feel like, I don't know. We'll see. I should try to eat as much as I possibly can, but I just like, I feel like if I take like one more bite, I'll literally get sick. Okay. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for me. I think that's gonna be it. I just feel like, which by the way was like an hour and 5 minutes, so I'll stop my timer now. I don't know, but I'm having fun like trying. And that's really all that matters, I feel like, in the grand scheme of things, if I'm having fun. Anyway, I'm sure with each video I'll either get better or I'll stay the same. But as long as you guys, enjoy watching me lose, that's all that matters. Anyway, I keep saying, I've said anyway like 5 times now. So, with that being said, I'm officially calling it quits with the Christmas tree snack cake challenge. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.